Alright guys, it is day 5 of Taiwan Quarantine. It is Friday, December 17th, and I'm going to start the morning out with my workout. Today's workout is brought to you by Michael Scott. It's going to be a deck of cards workout. Each card represents what exercise I'm going to do. Jumping jacks is times 5 on the number of the card. So, let's get started. Okay guys, day 5 quarantine lunch is here, and I've decided that I'm gonna start trying every single one of them that shows up. So it's the end of day 5, and honestly I didn't do a whole lot. After my workout, I spent the afternoon listening to a 3-hour podcast and watching the movie